them taking pictures.
I'm telling you, I can drive this thing.
Yes, and I can hot wire it for you, no problem.
Almost there.
You just need a bigger breakfast.
This truck eats tractors for breakfast.
Hey, look at that. He looks very confused up there.
Maybe he think it's a big red rock.
I think I woke the whole jungle up. Oh, man, that sound could raise the dead. Come on, move, just a little bit. You need about 10 more guys, maybe then it will move.
Mon Dieu, look at the size of that thing.
Oh, how did it even get here?
We could live inside the tire. Look at the size of this thing. It's unbelievable.
We could live inside this tire.
All right, everyone, pull together now.
1, 2, 3, pull!
We got it, look at that. Keep going, don't stop.
Look at him, he thinks he's Hercules. Maybe we can finally move this thing now.
I told you not to wrestle the vines, man.
Help me instead of just standing there laughing.
All right, hold on.
Yes, we got it open.
Look at the size of this thing. Incredible.
We almost got it. All right, let's go again. Hip ho! I am Hercules! Yes! Yes, yes you are. Look at that muscle.
Yes, clear it out.
Look at him go. No fini! Gardez ça!
Regardez, non? Et pas travail, ça. Ou même tout. Gros camion, ça sale en pile.
Whoa, watch out!
Woo! That is a lot of water. Look at the size of that splash.
Careful, careful, push it just a little bit more.
Ah, it moved. We got it. Look.
Yes, bring it, yes, bring it here. Well done!
We might need a bigger stick for that one, my friend.
At this rate, we'll be here until Christmas.
Look at this tank. It's huge.
We could finally fill that one. We'd need 10 of these just for one tire.
Come on, brothers, pull. I'm slipping. We got him. Look out below.
This truck is bigger than my house. Where do we even start?
Just pull that one. Hey,
What was that?
no. Don't do that again.
Man, that thing is...
You should have seen your face when it went off. We thought a monster was coming.
Almost done with this one.
You got me wet.
There is still so much rust on the wheel. Look at this one. He is melting already. It is not easy being this handsome and working so hard. Watch out, man. You almost went swimming. I saved it. Look at me. I am a professional.
Look at this shine, boys.
You'll be here all year, man. He is using a toothbrush on that tire. It is working, slowly but surely.
Look at this mess.
That is not an engine, that is a spider mansion.
Maybe we come back tomorrow.
It's gone.
Look at him. That is definitely gone.
How did you even manage that?
Regardez-le, monsieur sérieux. Ça c'est pas travail, ça c'est comédie.
Oh no, my shirt. You look like you fell in the river. Nice shower, brother. No fini!
Gade ça!
I'm telling you, there's nothing but shadows down there.
Careful now. You might fall in and disappear too. You missed a spot up there, way up high.
Don't listen to him. Keep rolling.
Maybe you should climb up there yourself, old man. Watch this sprayer, old man.
You ruined my shirt. You are buying the next round.
Keep working, you two. Hey, Mr. Careful. You missed a spot right there.
Oh, really? Maybe you should clean it then.
You two are impossible. We will be here all year. Vroom, vroom. Everybody get on the bus.
Yeah, let's go. Drive faster.
Look at you now, completely soaked. That was a dramatic one, my friend.
Pas tout velé, mon cher. Regardez, monsieur, il collé. Oui, mais lui, gros travail.
I cannot do this anymore. Look at him. It's nothing. Watch me now. Yes, pump it harder.
Look out, look out. We're losing control.
Hey, watch where you're going. That was close.
Bravo, you survived the jungle ride.
Gade figou, ou te fait courir.
Pas vrai. C'était juste un petit bête.
Tibet la plus gros passe camion, oui.
Hey, regardez non. Ou pas qu'à travailler sans tomber. Ça c'est face au moins.
This rust is thicker than the jungle.
Keep going, we only have a little bit left.
A little bit? We need another month.
Lilou. Continuez, mon cher. Ou presque arrivé.
Look at the size of that. Incredible. We finally did it, man. Run, run! It's moving. Get away! Look at that little thing go.
At this rate, we will be finished by next Christmas.
Maybe we should all try at once.
Hang on, it's getting rough.
Oh no, don't crush it! Faster! Faster! Look at that shot. We will be finished by next year. Hey, watch it with the hose, man. We found it. Look at this. The mighty flashlight returns. We are saved from the darkness.
Look at that shine. It is finally finished.
Woo! We did it, brother. This beast is ready.
Gros camion tourné, on danse.
Oui, en allez!
Look at this beauty. It shines like new.
Best truck in all of Haiti.
We did good work, gentlemen.